Alright, I'm doing a little video. It's on a Mazda Tribute. Okay. Doing a fuel pump replacement. When you're doing a fuel pump replacement, the access panel to the fuel pump is behind the driver's hand side. Right there. Take a star head screwdriver, remove this cap, and then you'll be able to access the pump. Alright. Give me a second. I will give you an update. And here we are with the access panel open. So, there's your fuel pump. The top screws off, the two lines disconnect. I will show you that as I go along. So here we are again. We're disconnecting the lines. These two little pieces, they slide in and they click into place. You have to push them both in, and then the line will release. I'll give you a little demonstration. Okay, these two lines here, and click them both. Well, of course, need two hands for this. So the other one isn't clicked. Let me reset up here. Hopefully that gets you on the picture. That line in, and then it pulls out. Hopefully you got that. Alright. Now, take a screwdriver and a hammer. So it comes loose. Eventually it becomes, and you can do it with your hand. Move the lines out of the way. Now, the new one does not come with the cap. The ring you do need to keep. So, now, this needs to go down in. That's in place. You have to get our ring onto there. No garbage in the way. A little bit of spillage of gas. Of course, it's not going to go in straight right away. Right, we'll pause you for a minute. There we are with the new pump in. Lines are connected. You just tuck that all away like that. Put your 4 little screws in. And I'm about to do a test. Alright. So there the vehicle is running now.